So in the context of AI in customer experience, CX, let's start with good old-fashioned AI, also known as rule-based lexicon approach. So historically, the way everyone approached CX analysis, and specifically referring to, like, let's say the last 30, 40 years, was setting up a long and detailed set of rules where you would have specific words like price and then and or Boolean conditions with other words, and they could be positive or negative in sentiment, to then sort of say whether or not this particular word in a sentiment context was either positive or negative. And this is still a widespread approach because it's quite simple. And it has a lot of different advantages because in addition to the simplicity, it's also consistent because essentially the way you've defined it, the results come out that way. So there's nothing unexpected. But there are many disadvantages as well, specifically limited accuracy. Because when you are doing it using a rule-based approach, you're not actually modeling the complexity of language. What you're doing is essentially creating very simple rules and hoping that the customer feedback sort of morphs into the rules, and as a result can be attributed to a specific theme or another theme. But in reality, human language is very complex and very noisy, and people use jargon, they have different dialects. So actually having very strict rules doesn't always work very well. The second huge disadvantage is that it's extremely resource intensive because humans have to curate these rules and maintain them over the months and years that a specific theme needs to exist. Now, it could be that a single theme has maybe 500 rules. Now, if you have a theme structure with 100 themes, that's a lot of rules that someone or some team has to manage over the time period of that project.